everybody. Empanadas with ground chicken instead of beef. But you can use whatever you want to use over there. Hey, Che. Pack of seasoning salt, garlic powder, a little bit of this Cajun seasoning, rosemary. Season it to your own taste. Black pepper. Some people may not like seasoning salt or whatever. This is definitely optional. Some liquid amino. This right here is cheese. Cranberry white cheddar. I've never used it in an empanada before, but it's so delicious, so I'm sure it's gonna taste good. All right, I'm using a little bit of onion. I'm not using this whole block, because maybe half of it. This is when I cook chicken. And then I add it to empanada. Brown chicken doesn't turn that dirty brown like beef. This is done. I'm taking it out. I'm prepping all of this because I cannot fry it right after. I'll be back. Empanadas, some chicken, some cheese. I don't want to make them too big and then I can't close them up. You get the idea. And I mixed up some cilantro and parsley together. And add the cheese. I think we need it to be cheesy, right? All right, this may be too big. Let's see. I don't want it to be too big because I want it all in there. I have my grease on. I'm still cooking with gas. Empanadas. I got an egg wash. Try to close it. Y'all can see that? I know I'm not finished with that one, but the way I have this angled, let me try to get it how I can. And then I'm gonna put an egg wash. Ooh, this thing is gonna be so good. I don't normally use the chicken ground. I usually use beef, but I went along with the chicken. I think I did a video with beef already, so I had to switch it up. Yes. And then I got an egg wash. Where is the... Put it around here, 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 here. And it's ready for the grease. Oh, let me close it up on both sides. Okay. I think I'm gonna make about 3 or 40. No, about 6. Okay, I'll be back. Here's the last one. Empanadas. PBJ's Kitchen version of empanadas. What it's looking like, y'all? Yummy for your tummy? Let me try one. I added some sour cream. See that? Okay, let me try it. Look like it's gonna be slamming. Got to be what? More careful. That was very good. Make it. Thanks for being here, because you don't have to. And I appreciate you being here. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Share this with your friends if you like it. Family, make it into your own. Come back again soon. In the meantime, yummy for my tummy.